soon that ban. And I think fuck up. Other way he was in Nigeria, can't really get why can't really what fucking up. Me I go fuck you up. Them well, only I fuck you well. Yeah, Tony.
Yeah. Not be everybody gets feelings for people.
Your parents should also. My own sister can't call and say, come on. Yes. Because they don't already be big. You know, be not get, I not be, you understand? It not be say maybe that boss for me, but see my parents now one number one and so back. Everybody knows that you feel decide say you know they give her money again, but you see the parents so not be like that.
I mean, the boy who better on you, una dey hear me. A boy me Paris better, you say ba. I mean, no ya gwan. You know, bros, how far now? I want to talk to my sister. Wetin dey sup? Oh no, no ya gwan. You know, come. No try that nonsense again. Now my sister I want for the reason, not be you. Understand? Oh, you now stay clear. Before you know, you go to me when we are not worried and I wish can character be all this one. Well, that's our performance of character. Boy, that's what I'm going. I will not try him again. I just talk to my sister. Before you know, even about your bonnet ramen, we are the better bonnet boy. Then we are your bonnet ramen. Just imagine.
La automatic gabi o wow.
Bros. Come here, where muja? Here day. You know where? Yeah, your bonnet boy, not your bonnet ramen. So you know the better bonnet. If your bonnet ramen, you want to book your Tori. You get better one KCI.
Wow, say Ozu 20
Ozu. Understand? Just a way.
Aguio, era pa biwa.
Era pa bijokpa.
You know what I'm getting here, you don't care.
You know what? A Paris on us.
Oh, no.
Be careful. Not be what you do.
Nigga don't like video anymore. Oh, why gonna sunu? It is a back bona colas because it will wait your bonnet boyfriend. You will not do a chair bonnet and be my way.
Oh, no.
What of if the man? But that be say if the man is not her own parents, she don't fit talk again.
Okay. The man say the man don't get your bonnet. The man say
truth.
Especially DJ. Especially DJ do one. Else warning he radio ni. Ubon money ultimate
bro, all in Nigeria, who are buy me a boot. We are move your
no, not the tossing of your. No, not the tossing of your. Wait, my sister, wait. Mojana, wait, my sister. Not be say if you know where the tossing something not be on her hand. Now when you go be say now one man. Any man where she go love and pass her family. That is a very stupid woman. Even so, we're
getting the code.
But not be the bed they tell her to leave her family. Now she they purposely do her.
Yeah, now they talk so now. Yeah.
Not be the bed. Me, I not the blame. Make me say, may you try and reach that bar. You understand? Try and reach the bar where she deal with. Reason with her one on one as bar. You understand? So not be the bed. Not be the bed. They make her. Not be the tell her all those sisters. What in their mind?
Wàá pa ìwà jẹ wàá jẹ ìwà jẹ ìwà dẹ̀rì jẹ ìjẹ mẹsẹ̀ gbọ̀n mẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ náà wà láti àbá omi ọwọ́ sàwẹ́ ṣe rèrè ọmọ akórin ẹ̀yà wù. Mọ́mí wí àtàná ẹ̀dáyì gbè ní asọ́ni mi àṣọ wà mí má dáyì jí mẹsẹ̀ dáyì gbè iná tó dáyì jẹ mẹsẹ̀ wẹ̀ Jesus mọ́mí wọ́n sún lórí wẹ̀ jíjà àmẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ náà wà láti àbá omi ẹ̀ clear àmì àṣọ àwọn ìjọ
your mom na very fine woman na just she just need to maintain her treatment.
You know, some people they blame me.
Yeah,
video papa. If you not video mama or you not video papa, I want to know the truth. Huh?
Your mom na very fair woman. It's painful.
Maybe so. Why me? Oh, we jamais ya fait, oh, we jamais ya y confesse ya we. Il jamais na ba son avia o sa we se come ya rere, o ma ko kin ya wo sa we se come ya rere, yen dare ma o.
Try do boy a check up here, very important. Try do boy a check up, no ya run the test and some other things. Lao.
Hello. You understand? When your mother they face chronic.
I know they hear you, they crack.
When it's on,
They hear you now, bros.
maybe your mother they face chronic diabetes or she get kidney problem. Now you go cause all this situation.
Yeah, send you egg, yeah. Send you my account in here. You gonna tell my hospital when I get bros. I get no soon that account in because you gonna allow but my here upgrade that account in and in my first bank only get the larger. My one put something on see something.
That they cause all those kind of sickness, Shana.
Yes, yes, now kidney problem. She get kidney problem.
Yesterday, say money come to enter the account.
They need to go.
Money come to enter. They can't ban the account. You see, they block.
Double that for red. Now you block it now.
Hello, easy boy.
Yeah, my brother.
Hello, easy boy.
Mama, even wetana. I tell you what.
You try me if you take your sister matter easy. Go na the Europe now you first come, my guy. Take your sister matter easy, my guy. Now Europe now you first come. You know make come. Now you take over.
You know, I was zuo. Oh, mama, only when we take family. Only when take that visual. I was zuo. Me go akana.
Easy boy that not dey talk say make the sister come to her. He say make
Igwe me ya we be ati family.
Yeah, I tell her with you. I thought we don't do the go here. I be easy boy we don't do.
I just tell no what do come na ozuo. Igwe me ya a family ma dey okay we ati ya we me ya here o.
People like that boy.
Who me involve me me poverty but see at least they go we are not dey okay o. But however
no dem yesterday which whether na yesterday I be tell yesterday wey be say dey hear the matter e better be agbo where easy boy we gbon na but me to all that way de tira tj we know it's not cut from
but my own be say wetin your mom dey face wetin your mom dey face na this na maybe na
bros not verse bros not verse I dey come not verse e say how can we support anything wey you say if you wan say go and then my first bank now I pray make dem open this one if they fit open this one and the money go sit there taloba lani age block you understand no win am.
Are back back where
yes I dey hear you now we dey hear you.
na money points na online bank understand.
We post it post as we dey talk you go pin am understand because
the first bank me go put this one
I know you see woman do all those one whatever those are this diabetes or kidney problem na wetin just dey there.
People dey comment section wey say dem no dey hear me.
People are not vex.
Not be me
money dey that account people really send money yesterday money dey that account
you understand
money wey dem put for that account yesterday.
What be the last number?
You don't blur.
Okay.
No, not be this one. Wait, not be this one.
No, the other one.
They put this one again. Since you say this one don't blur, they put the first bag.
This one.
They put this one. They come
out. Solomon. Nice. I just screenshot and say.
You get what me I want ask you. I don't see the account number. Anything I still get, I will still support. Baby.
But that one yesterday, that account, people really put money yesterday. You go near also me yagba regime, but you might not see a limit your go do what see here. You understand? You send you go your way. Or you get me. So all of una wey send money for that account, I appreciate all of una. God will bless you now. But I don't fit carry the money come out and block the account.
I pray this one for you back. May you fulfill it.
I'll fit carry come out. This one on a bank. I feel if people say this one block, I feel go there. They go do one for me.
But they don't get online customer service so you feel call.
They don't give me. They don't discuss some place for me. I'll go tomorrow go check am.
Okay.
Because na me buy Igwere na today I come Benin.
Yeah. At least now that when you way ya beg even the owange na maybe ya we atabu when we phone when we believe before. Now you don't see everything. You don't say at least when they tell you not be lie.
Now I can't see house. Why them and what they before. Oh, you told you where my eh? Now what they the phone here? Where are me our man allow?
And another thing easy boy abeg if you fit rectify that money first try buy just arrange the room wey mopsi and popsi dey, you understand, that bed and all those things.
Sure.
Just first rectify that one for them before you go say you wan dey make another alternative for house or anything, you understand, abeg.
Yeah. Yeah. When I not say Wawa here man. Una go see am. Una see how that has been so I will see video now like that. Una go see am. It does not be my money. Na still support me. If I see do everything finish I will still post and I will still see am. Ti a ri oni go well. Ti a ya we music. You dey feel me? So
Yeah.
Ego na gun ya koko no ya we mu na ya do aya degilete. Understand your man.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ẹ fi wèrè gbígbó ní ìdàwé condition ní ìlera mi jọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀.
God bless you. Ego na we mie yawo na yawo mi no ma gba osalopo aso punish me jo.
Lẹ́tù wẹ̀wẹ̀ ní ìdìbò wẹ̀ lájà tó nọ̀nà.
God bless you. I will say I me na lati ala to dey ati je me. Iwe mommy do neru ni ya. Awon be go yo. Do neru ni ya na we go yo. I dey do am. E as my say see that thing low. Wait that cannot that the master no ya call je me.
Your man call is not the daily la.
What I call je me, nyedi je me ra, nyedi je me yes. Am I call je me?
Easy boy try do gwale wa any member of your family do wa try do wa gwale number order for any do wa call a very important. Okbiani no gwe wa try do wa call a very important. Wo ike si e la be bi abi wa egbo okbiani abi e ti gbego be ba so okbiani bi abi wa.
Our memory, our memory.
Better na the way try the way you call the bar so that.
Wifo. Yeah, drop the wifo. Don't man.
Easy Baba.
Oba adi e go
Who dey make money?
my last.
Looks like love is in the end for Larissa London. The stunning mother of Davido's fourth child just sparked engagement rumors with this glowing snap. Check out that sparkling ring shared on Snapchat just hours ago. Fans are buzzing.
Mother.
Okay.
What I drop ever there?
Ma ite win no.
No, ever come back.
Yeah.
More come back.
One child, anybody do or dey close to her, no we respect. Anyway, her child will reach.
God go bless
Who
you.
reach her wife?
Baby cool. God go bless you I don't know whether na boy you be or na man. You see God go bless you. You really know yourself. Boy nigga o man no go le enegbe. You no go put us say you never see this since yesterday. Or say no ya call it me or call it me or call me. Boy ni ma we enegbe. Ogbo boy ni o be mu area. I know wetin I dey talk. That boy na supposed to call me, not me go look for that boy, I call that boy. You feel me?
You know the boy dey TikTok. He dey TikTok.
He get there where not they post.
Easy boy, your bar now say your sister now don't go spoil the go spoil your family name for the boy day. Like that.
I heard.
Mother no verse.
When we go in your bar.
The guy.
Yeah, boom, my brother.
I said, damn. You a friend woman, that woman not they call your family, I beg. If you know that guy no say no go pick up your family, leave that guy. Because tomorrow that if it kill you. I know what they tell you. That thing where they lose it as small to kill you away. So we are there for again, we advise not call the family, or make it small let me have one. Or we say again here.
When you're playing me, when you wear that you are more they will no what a son. That is why any other banana say na every year I nail to have here of no matter how we do mu ye ti talk be when Ghana or near work be near wa the video near wa mostly now. Understand now? I say be my brother. Zero.
I want to talk why we again I love you. Why miss you? Now lie.
Yes, sir. Na fake love, oh, bro.
Oh, I want to view. Now fake love. Even if you are post who call it your man you are here, right? Who are you imagine why you stay? Imagine you are not together can live out.
Bro, now so easy boy, not let that shock you because this thing I'm waiting many things they happen. You see most of us just get to the talk this yesterday for this your life or anybody life, my guy. Many of them not the same money give their family.
Easy
many of them not got their papa mama.
Easy boy, that she be senior for Uber.
Man, I want to start before that one. I'm actually married to one. You know what? That one be guessing well. I wish that one they are alive and that one for the pizza.
Okay, that she come be senior for Uber. About the who ate work before every other. The just guy bill.
Oh, whatever is here, na who na get be senior.
I'm married. You know me like but we put my guy.
Every year, but here no man.
So on our son yagbe anytime ya na almost to call over. So man na me wa.
Okay, not the other way I'm now. You may call one.
Oh, call over. I ask man now tell them to talk to one.
My brother. My guy, when you get the jail, I get the other the influence of something, my brother. One nigga girl tell me, one nigga girl, my brother. Or the papa buy them one, my brother. My son is easy boy.
Ebe ni eje ni unyi me no nyina unyi me no nyina. Ihe na the boss.
Oh, what
ihe na the boss go ni pe. Era me ti careful na lawa. When they get aje. I tell na the truth. Actually like one.
Imagine one thing, he get one of my sister like that time, when she did Nigeria, and a very nice girl. I mean, they talk so, she don't. When she tell her Europe, the papa said they cause papa. I mean, and the girl, I didn't see her. I mean, I didn't see the girl for people laugh. If they climb up, where we go they talk. People say he. Never will what other way we need almost say, my brother, boom. What is it?
That's not check a comment with Easy Boy.
Easy boy, they are showing the account number. What was the show? We boy the account number.
The more you comment, John. Easy Boy agree to. Stop where we are both. Easy Boy agree to.
Okay, DJ, where's the ramen? Where's the kakabo? Where's it? Yeah. Who they come here? It's not the bros.
No, tell me, I agree to you. Agree to everybody.
Bro, I need to papa. I just need to know, man.
Okay. Because then me have a small video area why you fly here and now they can be line. Okay, never be need to that of it. You understand? But the fact is that sometimes where some we have anything where man see your well at the area now.
And they are bros.
They can feel the way just you understand. You talk about why you not saying like we or they your material or why we take care, you understand? But before then, I would say Satan, we carry a bongo now. We have any car updates as in we are my call, we try to waste your well as usual. Okay, the Baba will may respond or near it where the reason and all of that. So,
Smart. Now mute smart.
okay. Tu m'as fait rire, on a goûté, j'ai une cigarette.
Répétez.
Yeah, you know where to start with mommy was in Nigeria now where assembly have na social media way or none of that, so you understand. So but sometimes let me know we maybe know it for past years or last year or whatever before we carry bongo, so you and her the updates or try to find out what be the main problem. So sometimes when Adam yo because we say bongona, but so now we say bongona when I do there remain many stuff I take place. So because sometimes most of us, including me, I will okay. We was in Nigeria now, but we're not doing wages or trying the the updates, the follow up where the I don't know, the support the family and all of that. So the fact is that before now, where we find that or where we try and where we bring up the not be only social media, you need to bring and come. Maybe say people will say it's a fair put for your own personal interest, okay, may not be your own personal interest, for the family interest, okay, may you cause awareness, maybe say yes to find the solution to your own problem. So before now.
About when I came away, well, I say not a year thing they talk since. Understand? You hear me?
I hear you, Baba. You don't.
When I came away, senior man, would that go again? Eh? Agree. How they come? What's the breeze smoke? My life. And what you observe? To boy observe. Baba.
I do you was.
Again now, when I did France, yes, I did France. So, even I call him a doctor. Ona ma we nyama yemo de bo risunu na we ya ma nyama call wa. O ma call nya o. Understand? So, ina be were ina we carry up we understand. O hi be ge mi po again. Ina be the big yen na mommy wa malejo na ya we mi po mi maka bo we de okay we tian. Wala o ma understand. E be we ge na we ko be won teme. Ina be mo ya ni me mo bo wa we hemo e be ri o we na wa we ta we yen we be ya wa we de okay bro. So ni ya wa we aneru ma understand tian ma be easy. Me wa agbegwe ne me wa ni me gbegwe na yen ma de send nya bodo. So ona me say new year. If I be not do tie where me ya maka bo be all those things na wa be were ina be gwale yin we de understand. E de no ka bo balo me na do na a period ne ra me ya me accident and I do call him we ro kin ra me accident yo go gege ina do neke na afa where the baba me accident ya where pa me accident ya no pa o ma be ti me dey for we ho ra me accident no call era o ma ti we dey for by na na you go agree na any na block me na live na so na you na so get calling ya bo wa na do atunya you feel me so e many si wa buni wa hon baba
Otima, brother, ni wa get maybe wa egwe o na lao ni wait awo do ma video, you understand, so I will take care, no ma will take care na see small picking brain, you know, understand more your video ni so, but sometimes my brief you some because I don't you know get be so you don't reach time now for you to buckle up find how to button your own way on your matter first, you understand? Because sometimes because sometimes the awareness now when you cause and you know say yes, not be say any other thing they now, but you want to 90 or 95% now. They don't take and say yes, now the fact. He might not get it because I will check where you don't come 8 times now. We was 8 times, now that time want to because the fact is that you don't fight. You don't
wait. Go check TikTok. Go type easy boy. Name you see. Not be nice. No,
easy boy re. E mata no a.
Dambione okay. I'm money Dambione. Easy boy. We tana na tawe. Ni wata we no be past tense or whatever. Man, wata we if not be for not better for ni na. But now recently so you know you may do understand now. The fact is that you yourself and you put your energy for anything we be say they do so. If na me be you, if be an issue or any issue any you told him where not be this period okay time now you're working here I see your well then so I won't lie you. Anybody will be say if they give you they tell you say yes, I will not get this one you and you know you man back. No. We know that one. So, but the fact is that they do so.
Adam your bros. When you come away. Do where? O meme soro na gba asan ke nkun. Understand? O meme so ro na me gba asan wa mukun da se ge won. So, o manu da we okay mi na ya secure e problem re ne wa ri e ne. E me so ro